In this video, we'll cover outbound voicemail drop. Outbound voicemail drop, also known as voicemail automation, is a type of sales technology that is designed to accelerate the process of leaving voicemail messages. To get started using this feature, you'll first need to upload your outbound voicemail drop message. You'll navigate to your settings, scroll down on the left-hand side, and find outbound voicemail drop under phone settings. It's important to know that this feature only supports MP3 format with bit rates of 320 kilobits per second or lower. Higher bit rates will not play back properly. To upload it, you'll just drop it here, and if it's the correct size, it will upload down here. To get started using this feature, you'll just need to make an outbound call. And once you reach the voicemail, you'll just choose this downward arrow here. Select the voicemail that you want to drop in, and it will effectively end your call for you. If you have any questions regarding your outbound voicemail drop, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com at any time.